This demo showcases how to extract all employees from a company's LinkedIn page using LinkFinder AI. You'll see how to find and enrich employee data efficiently for any company listed on LinkedIn. Click the link in the description to go to the LinkFinder AI website. Switch to the LinkFinder AI website to begin the process. Create a free account by clicking on Start Free Trial. First, select the data type you want to use, such as company name, company domain, email address, or LinkedIn company URL. Choose the appropriate data type for your input. Next, select the output type, for example, company website, company phone number, company LinkedIn URL, or company email. Fill in the output type you want to receive from the enrichment process. Click on the field to enter the company name. Enter the company name, for example, Microsoft. Click Enrich Data to start retrieving information based on the company name. Click on the company domain, such as Microsoft.com, to view details. Click Microsoft.com again to proceed with the domain information. Click Microsoft.com once more to confirm the domain selection. Select the data type again, choosing from options like company name, company domain, email address, or LinkedIn company URL. Fill in the selected data type for the next enrichment step. Select Company Employees List as the output type to retrieve employee data. Fill in the output type as Company Employees List. Click to choose the department from options like Marketing, Finance, Education, Design, and more. Fill in the department you want to filter employees by. Click to select the seniority level such as Founder, Owner, C-Suite, Director, Partner, and others. Fill in the seniority level to filter employees accordingly. Click the field to specify the number of employees to find, for example, 25. Enter the number of employees you want to retrieve, such as 100. Click the field to enter the company domain. Fill in the company domain, for example, Microsoft.com. Click Enrich Data to begin extracting employee information based on the domain. Click to view the list of 100 employees found for Microsoft.com. Click again to access the detailed employee list for Microsoft.com. Click Export CSV to download the employee list as a CSV file. Click to select the seniority level filter again, such as Founder, Owner, C-Suite, Director, Partner. Fill in the desired seniority level for filtering employees. Click to select the department filter again, including Marketing, Finance, Education, Design, and others. Fill in the department to filter employees accordingly. Click to select the number of employees to retrieve, for example, 100. Fill in the number of employees to find, such as 1,000. Click Enrich Data to extract the specified number of employees. Click to view the list of 1,000 employees found for the company. Click on an employee, for example, Chris Wright, to see detailed information including title, department, industry, and email. Click Export CSV to download the full employee list as a CSV file. Click API Access to explore programmatic options for data enrichment. Click here to open the API documentation for LinkFinder AI. Click Company Enrichment to view API endpoints related to company data. Click Company Domain to Employees to see the API call for retrieving employee data by company domain. Click the curl command example showing how to post a request to the LinkFinder AI API with authorization and data parameters. This demo demonstrated how to efficiently extract and enrich employee data from LinkedIn company pages using LinkFinder AI. You can quickly find detailed employee lists and export them, or access the data programmatically via API to enhance your sales and marketing efforts.